What phylum? Myxomycota. What is this thing? What is the structure we're looking at called?
Slime mold?
It's a slime mold in English, yes, but what is the structure? What is that body called? Plasmodium. And what is its cellular nature? Cenocytic. What phylum? And what class? And what subclass? The G1. Gastromycetes. And so what is this entire structure called? Basidiocarp? Just more basidiospores and basidia. What phylum? How about what kingdom? What's that? Kingdom? Eubacteria? So this is true bacteria. And what phylum? You only know really one kind of greenish bacteria. What's that blue-green color? Cyanobacteria or Cyanophyta, either way. And what are these bigger cells called? Heterocysts? Okay. And what's all this stuff that's it's in? Slime, slime coat, slime sheet. What kind of bacteria are those? Spirulli? Autotrophic or heterotrophic? Heterotrophic. What's this called? What's this? Disc cell. And then what's this called? Hormigonium. And what's the purpose of those? Reproduction. What type of bacteria? Bacilli? Yeah. What type of bacteria there? Cocci or just dust? Yeah. No, I don't think it's dust. I think it's cocci. What phylum is this? What is it in English? Liverworts. Okay. And so, if you have that liver disease, what's that called? Hepatitis. And since this is a plant, go ahead. Hepatophyta or Hepataceae, either way. And is this a Thallus liverwort or leafy liverwort?
Thallus.
Thallus? Yeah. And let me zoom in on this. Yeah, pretty good. What is this little thing right here, or this thing right here?
Gemma cup.
A gemma cup. And see, there's a nice one there. See all the little dots in it? Those are the gemma. What are these little dots? Pores. Okay. So what is this whole thing we're looking at here? Maybe we should go through it backwards. What's this thing right here? I meant the whole thing. An antheridium. Okay, and then the outside layer is the
Skin jacket.
And this is spermatogenous tissue. Okay, so what is this thing that antheridia are in called? Antheridial head. Okay. And the whole thing, we can see the whole thing, the thing supporting it is called an what? Nope. An antheridiaphore. So what's this whole thing? Oh, this part's a venter. So what the whole thing is? Archegonium. It's got the venter, and the part that's not the venter up here is the
neck.
And this right here is the
neck
canal. And this whole thing over here is Pseudoperianth. Okay. Oh, and here's some in real life. Although I don't think it's a very good picture of it. It's focus, probably. The elf doesn't seem to be. But these are Archegoniaphores here. It's kind of out of focus. I've got another picture of it someplace. Gemma, up close and personal, Gemma pores. What's that thing? Sporophyte. And we've got parts. What's this part? Capsule. And then in the capsule there are two things. Spores and elaters. And this part? Seta or stalk, either way. And this part down here? Foot. And then this thing right here? Pseudoperianth. And then this thing right here? That's the Calyptra. Okay. I think we've got, there it's up close and personal. So, spores, elaters. Are the spores 1N or 2N? 1N. Because they're going to grow up to be gametophytes. Right. Okay, well then what part's this? Sporophyte? Gametophyte. Okay. And with sporophyte, the stalk is called what? Seta. This is the capsule. Well, see, you can kind of see an operculum right there. Yeah.
A question, which plant is this from?
Which is?
Yeah, which plant was this from? Was it today's?
Okay, I'm not sure what you said. You're looking for the what?
I mean, for the life cycle, which plant? So it was from today's lab that
Oh, yeah.
the cycle is from?
So this, yeah, Scott, actually we did the life cycle of this on Monday, but it's like the liverwort. So this is the gametophyte, and the Antheridia and Archegonia are going to be right up in here. When the egg gets fertilized, it goes into the sporophyte. The sporophyte does meiosis, producing 1N spores. The operculum pops off, spores are released, protonema grows, and it goes back to the gametophyte. Right, so this is the archegonial head. This is the upper end of the moss. So we've got an archegonium again, and it's just like the archegonium for the liverwort, except it doesn't really have a pseudoperianth on it. Hey, what is this? That's a capsule, and so you can see this is a peristome. Operculum is gone. Got peristome teeth here and here, kind of broken off. Peristome teeth there. So what are these things? And what's this? Columella. Okay. Just more Antheridia, same things as before, just bigger. So this is probably, this is moss Antheridia here. How can you tell it's moss and not liverwort? Because liverwort will be embedded, will be in a little cut inside the Antheridiophore. Oh, more Archegonia. Upside down sphagnum moss with liverwort in the background. So this is sphagnum moss. This is a liverwort with a gemma cup right there. This would have been a really good picture, except it's not quite in focus. So, what part of the life cycle is this? Gametophyte. This part? Sporophyte. And that is all there is.